Dear students, in this session, let us discuss about some of the next higher 5-membered heterocyclics. We call them as condensed 5-membered heterocyclic compounds. The common 5-membered heterocyclic compounds can condense with benzene into distinct way, yielding A and V. In the first way, if it is condensed, then A class can be given. First example which is given is indole. Second type is furane, benzofurane. Third one is benzothiophene. And you can see the condensation, if it takes place between the benzene and the 5-membered heterocyclic ring. This is the first method. Second method, it is isoindole, isobenzofurane and isobenzothiophene. So these are the two distinct type of condensed 5-membered heterocyclic compounds. So of the above systems, indoles are the most important one. Many natural products like tryptophan, tryptomine, resiprine, indigo, etc. have indole nucleus. The present discussion will therefore be limited only to the chemistry of indole and its derivatives. So this is the structure of indole and this is the structure of tryptophan. We can see the indole nucleus which is present here in this tryptophan. As usual, it is aromatic. We can call this as 2,3-benzopyrrole. Each atom is sp2 hybridized and it is a planar one. The total nucleus contains delocalized electrons as 10, 8 of which are contributed from carbon, 2 from nitrogen, and which follows the vocal rule, and it is a very less basic. And if we take the synthesis, this is a famous synthesis method which we call it as a Fischer-Indole synthesis method. In this method, the phenyl hydrazone of an aldehyde or ketone is heated with strong acid under non-hydrolytic condition, and which is fused with zinc chloride and boron trifluoride and polyphosphoric acid, which has been used as a catalyst. It is a general reaction, so it fails with acetaldehyde and phenol hydrazine. First example it is given here. It is a phenyl hydrazone and which is condensing with acetone here, and when the condensation takes place, this is an intermediate which is formed by the condensation of the hydrogen, 2 hydrogen from hydrazone and oxygen from keto group, forming NH and N bond, which is then hydrolyzed under phosphoric acid as a catalyst, forming 2-methyl indole as the product. So this is the mechanism which can be given here. This is a phenyl hydrazone. This is ketone which is condensing here. Once again it is forming one more important derivative, that is 2-phenyl indole, and here this phenyl hydrazine, we can see here, in presence of ketone, it loses some molecule of water, forming hydrazone, and then when it is heated with zinc chloride, it is going to give the substituted product. So the mechanism of Fischer-Indole synthesis, it is a reversible arrangement of hydrazone to give a reactive in hydrazine. Protonation produced give the protonated in hydrazine. 3,3 sechemotropic rearrangement, that is in reaction, formation of new carbon-carbon bond, diamine, and loss of aromaticity. Re-aromatization of aryl ring, and nucleophilic addition, formation of cyclic amino acetal, that is aminal, deamination resulting in an aromatic indole. So the phenyl hydrazine in presence of acetophenone, it gives acetophenone phenyl hydrazone. This is the first step. This 2-phenyl hydrazone follows this mechanism to give an intermediate which by the addition of hydrogen it is going to give this one more product, and finally we can see the addition followed by the deamination gives the phenyl 2-phenyl indole. Other examples are given like this for Fischer-Indole synthesis. This is the phenylhydrazine. In presence of 2-butanone, it gives 2,3-dimethyl indole. Phenylhydrazine in presence of acetone, it gives 2-methyl indole. So there is one more type in which the pyridine can be fused with the benzene to form an important heterocyclic class of compounds like quinoline, isoquinoline, and quinolizinem salt. So both quinoline and isoquinoline occur in coal tar. Both are commercially available, but quinoline is much readily available and it is cheaper. Thank you.